Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time tuning in, thanks for clicking, and if you're already a subscriber, thanks for watching again. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can DIY your whitening facial cream at home using affordable drugstore products. Okay, so these products are super active and you can see it at your local markets, your supermarkets, anywhere around you. It is what you can just pick around. So if you want to achieve 2 shades lighter than your skin shade right now, this video is for you. So watch from start to finish so that you won't miss any step. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. This is shea butter and I've melted it. I'm using it as a base. It will serve as a skin moisturizer, so I'm using it as a base. So this is carotene black spots corrector. It's a whitening agent which is very good. This is 3 Betel cream. It's an antifungal and antibacterial cream, and it will prevent your skin from any cream reaction. This is Lemovate cream. It's a whitening cream and it is safe for your skin. This cream is very good. It is very active for those of you that wants to color correct their face, for those of you that has dark spots, you know, scars on your face. This cream is for you. Okay, just follow the process. Use it twice a day if you want proper results, and if you want it to work gradually, just use it once in a day, and that will be in the night. Okay, guys, that is it for your facial whitening cream. That is how you can, you know, promix it yourself at home with affordable drugstore. So this is how you use it. If you want to show proper results, use it day and night. But if you want this gradual process, you can use it in the night after shower. Okay, so make sure you share this video, share it with your friend, WhatsApp, on Facebook, and also give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any question for me regarding this promixing of a thing. You can leave it in the comment section below, and also don't forget, it is very important to click on the subscribe button before you leave this page. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.